Hello everyone, welcome to Phone Repair Hub. In today's video, we'll show you how to replace the display on the OnePlus Nord CE Lite step by step. First, I carefully opened the phone and removed the back panel. Next, I remove all the screws and begin separating the middle frame from the device. Remove the battery carefully. Once the frame is removed, I carefully take out the broken display without damaging any internal components. Before the final installation, I connect the new display and test it to make sure the touch, brightness, and display quality are working perfectly. Now I clean the middle frame thoroughly and remove all the old adhesive to prepare it for the new display. Next, I apply fresh display adhesive evenly around the frame and carefully install the new display. After the installation is complete, I power on the phone one final time to check the display. As you can see, the screen looks bright, the touch is responsive, and everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.